What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, and it's a function that searches for a value in the first column of your table or data, then returns data from another column in the same row. Here's an example scenario. Imagine you have a list of employee IDs, names, and departments. You want to find out which department an employee with a specific ID belongs to. Rather than manually scanning through rows, you can use VLOOKUP to do this in seconds. So you have a table with these columns. Let's say we need to find out which department employee ID 2005 belongs to. Instead of scrolling through the list, we will use VLOOKUP to quickly retrieve the answer. So in an empty cell, begin by typing the VLOOKUP function. The first parameter, which is a search value or lookup value, is what we are trying to find in the data. In this case, it's the employee ID we are searching for. So we will enter 2005. The second parameter, which is the data range or the table array, we need to specify the range where our data is stored. This should include the employee ID column as well as the department column. So I will type in a comma, and then we will use A2 to C7 as our range, covering all the employee information. The third parameter, which is the column index, we will tell Excel which column contains the data we want to return. In this case, we want to return the department, which is in the third column. So we will enter 3 after the comma sign. Finally, the fourth parameter, exact or approximate match. We need to specify whether we want an exact match. Since employee IDs are unique and we want the exact department, we will use false for an exact match. So input the comma and type false. We have it here listed as an option already, so I will double click on that and close the bracket. Once we complete the formula and press enter, you'll see that the employee ID 2005 works in the marketing department. Quick tips: always ensure that your data is structured with the search value, in this case the employee ID, in the first column of your range. Then use false in the fourth parameter for exact matches, as this will ensure you get the most accurate results. Want to give it a try? Download the sample file linked below and practice using VLOOKUP with different employee IDs. You will quickly see how efficient it is to pull information from large data sets. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how powerful VLOOKUP can be for quickly retrieving information. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy to follow Excel tutorials. There's a lot more to explore, and I'm here to guide you along the way.